I have just explained the basic functions of a block in a post. You can add different types of blocks to your website by following the same procedure. The moment you will add a new block to your website, it will boost up your confidence. Now, let us understand other functions of blocks. How to move the block? During the process of website development, there may be a need to move the block up and down. You can move the block up and down at any time by using these arrows, like this is up, this is down. You can also use this option to drag and drop the block anywhere in the post. Drag it to the desired position. When this blue line appears, drop it. It will be adjusted automatically. How to search for a block? There are large number of blocks and sometimes it becomes a challenge to find an appropriate block. Don't worry, we have the search option for this purpose. For example, I want to insert table in a post. Just search for table block. It's there. You can use it. Similarly, I want to embed video in the post from a site other than YouTube. Just search for video block. Video related blocks are listed here, like YouTube, Vimeo, etc. This way, you can search for other blocks as well. Other block options. These three dots give you additional options of a block, like you can duplicate a block, you may insert a new block before and after this block, you may remove the block. If you want to change the block, click here. You can change the block with the new one. You can undo your changes using this undo or redo button here. With this, we learned the basic working of block. Now let us move further. So this was the basic functioning of blocks. Just play around various settings of blocks and try to apply different types of blocks in your website. Now we will learn about how to create the post categories. Making categories of blog. When you will start adding more posts to your blogs, then you need to organize the post into different categories. A category represents a set of posts grouped together on the basis of some similarities. Like here, you can see the categories. Each category is having various posts. It helps the reader to search for the post of his interest quickly. Let me add some more posts into the website by following the same procedure, because I need 5 to 6 more posts to make the categories. Okay, I have added few more posts to the website. Now, let's see how to organize the post into different categories. Here, these are all my posts. Go to Post, click Categories. This is the place where you will create categories, and you can see we don't have any category. Only uncategorized section is here. That means all of your posts are here in this category. Let us create our first category. Give any name to the category, like Digital Marketing Basics. Leave slug and parent category blank. If you want, you can give the brief description of categories or leave it blank. To save this category, click on Add New Category. You will see that your saved category has appeared here. With 0 count, we have not added any post to the category Z. By following the same process, create few more categories. We have created categories. You will see that all categories have appeared in the website. Look here. But these categories are empty because we have not added any post to these categories. As of now, all posts are uncategorized. Now let us add posts to the respective categories. Go to Post and All Post. Hover the cursor to the post and click Quick Edit. Here is the category column. You see all categories. Select the category to which it belongs and uncheck the uncategorized. Update. Similarly, for the second post, click Quick Edit and select the appropriate category. If posts belong to more than one category, then you can also select more categories from here. Follow the same process for rest of the post. If you want to change the name or other information related to the categories, go to Categories and use these options. Once the categories are created, they will start appearing in the sidebar of our website. Let us see. Yes, here are categories. By clicking any category, you can see all posts within that category. But why uncategorizing is appearing here? It doesn't look good. Actually, even if one post is uncategorized, this category will appear. Let us see which post is uncategorized. Go to All Post from the WordPress dashboard. Let me check it. Yes, this post is uncategorized. Just delete this post as this is a sample post and is not required more. Now let us check it again. Yes, now uncategorized disappeared. Further, next time when you create a new post, you need not to repeat this whole process of creating the categories. You can assign the category to it from the editor only. Let me show you how. I am creating a new post. Before publishing, from the document settings, select the category from here. If the post belongs to more than one category, then you can also select more than one categories from here. You may also change the place of these categories, like you may put them in the menu bar or somewhere else. I will explain all these things in a while. Okay, once the categories are created, let us beautify our website more by changing the name of the site, inserting logos, inserting header image and menu, and so many other things. Changing name of the website and inserting logo. Let us change the name of the website and logo of it. We can do it by customizing the theme. Go to Appearance, click on Customize. Here you can see there are bunch of settings. These settings are specific to this theme only and will vary from theme to theme. You can customize the font, color, layout, and so many other things using these settings with respect to the installed theme. Let us discuss them one by one. First is the site identity. Here you can change the name of your website like dmook, which is the name of my website. You can also insert the tagline here. This is very important to insert the site icon as well. Now what is site icon? Look here, very tiny icons are representing the website. You can create your own icon with these dimensions or download it from the website. Search for the site icons for WordPress in Google. Visit the site icon8.com. Search for icon which may represent your website, like in my case it is digital. Save it to the desktop. To insert it to your website, click here. Select icon, upload file, select File, again select Skip Cropping. That is done. You can see icon is added to the site. To save it, click on Publish. Now let us add image to the header. I want to add background image here. Go to Header section. Here you can add video or video URL if you are interested to do so, or you can add header image. The size of the image would be 2000 to 1200. Click Add New Image. Select the image from gallery or from desktop. Your image is added. Change the size to cover and publish. If you want to increase the size of header, go to General and change the size from here. To save it, click Publish. Now we will insert the logo. Go to Logo, select Image and insert it as logo of your site. You may change height and width of your logo from here. Once satisfied, publish it. So with this, we have customized our website up to certain extent by learning how to add block, how to create post categories, how to add header image, and so many other things. To add more feature to your website, let us wait for the next video.